Today I'm changing the transfer case fluid in a 2008 Ford F150. Before beginning, make sure you have all the tools and materials needed. A good shop manual, ratchet, extension, torque wrench, rags, drain pan, and new lubricant. Here I'll use AMSOIL Signature Series ATF. Make sure you check your owner's manual or shop manual for the appropriate materials for your own vehicle. AMSOIL has a great product lookup guide for determining the specific products for your vehicle, and I'll include a link in the description. Make sure your wheels are locked and chocked, and never get under a vehicle held up by a jack. Work safe. Some people will find there's adequate room to reach the drain and fill plugs without lifting the vehicle. I've lifted it a couple inches and set it on jack stands for a little extra clearance. If you lift the vehicle any amount, make sure it's done in a safe manner. Never get under a vehicle held up by a jack. You should have the fluid warmed up to get out as much of the old fluid and contaminants as possible. A few miles of driving does that. Clean around the plug first. Compressed air works good for that. Both plugs here use a 3/8" square drive. Remove the fill plug first. That assures you don't put yourself in a situation where you just drain the oil and now can't get the fill plug out to refill it. Note that it runs out a little. The transfer case doesn't leak and it's still full of oil. That's good. Remove the drain plug and let it drain thoroughly. While it's draining, clean up the fill plug. The shop manual doesn't call for any sealant, but I've had plugs that seeped a little, so I'm using sealant. This is an old shot of a different vehicle. Note the drain plug clearly had sealant used. There's no evidence there was sealant used on the fill plug, and it's leaking a bit. Once the old lubricant is drained, I'll reinstall the drain plug and torque it to spec. The AMSOIL Auto and Marine Gear Lube pump is a slick way to get new lubricant into the transfer case. It comes with a couple different size tubes that attach to the bottom of the pump, so it works with both quarts and gallons. Since I have the trans fluid in gallons, I'm using the gallons with the pump today. An even handier way now available is the AMSOIL Easy Pack. The Easy Pack is an even easier and neater method than the pump. Just snip off the tip, insert, and squeeze. In the meantime, I'll keep pumping until it's full. It takes about 2.5 quarts. The unit is full when filled to the bottom of the fill hole. Pump lubricant in until it runs out, and then it's just right. The fill plug needs sealant too. Nobody likes oil leaks. I'll reinstall the fill plug and torque it to the manufacturer's specified value. torque wrench is used to get the proper tightness. The shop manual calls for 18 foot-pounds. Always check your manual for the proper value for your particular application. If you like the video or find it helpful, leave a thumbs up or a comment and subscribe to the channel. For more information or to purchase AMSOIL products, see the links in the description to this video or go to MidwestSynthetic.com. Thanks for watching.